So till now we have discussed that how the megaspore is formed from the megaspore mother cell and that the megaspore further develop into the embryo cell. So our next topic is the embryo cell. In this we will discuss that how would a embryo sac develop from a megaspore and how would a mature embryo sac will look like. So first we have a megaspore. So here we have a megaspore and we know that a megaspore has a prominent nucleus. So this is megaspore. And during the formation of embryo sac from the megaspore, the nucleus of the megaspore divide by mitosis into two. And these two nuclei further divide to form the 2 plus 2, 4 nuclei. They will divide to form 2 plus 2, 4 nuclei. And now these 4 nuclei further undergo a mitotic division to form 8 nuclei. So we can say here that the nucleus of megaspore divide mitotically to form 2 nuclei, and this stage is called 2 nucleated stage. Two nuclei and stage is called 2 nucleated stage. And these 2 nuclei they further divide 2 times. Okay? So there is one division, then there is second division, and then there is third division. So there are further 2 more sequential mitotic divisions in these 2 nuclei to form the 8 nuclei. So, and these nuclei, 2 nuclei, and further undergo 2 sequential mitotic divisions to form 4 nucleated and then 8 nucleated embryo sac. So this embryo sac here is called the 4 nucleated and this is called the 8 nucleated. So as we can see here that the mitotic division will is dividing only the nucleus. जो cytoplasm है that is not dividing in any of these mitotic divisions. So we call them free nuclear divisions. So all divisions are free nuclear and no cell wall formation occurs. ठीक है. So ड्यूरिंग दिस होल प्रोसेस कोई भी सेल वॉल फॉर्मेशन नहीं होगी. ठीक है. एंड जो सेल वॉल फॉर्मेशन है दैट वुड ओनली अकर आफ्टर द 8 न्यूक्लिएटेड स्टेज. सो आफ्टर 8 न्यूक्लिएटेड स्टेज or we can say cell wall formation occurs after 8 nucleated stage. And due to these cell wall formations that occur in the 8 nucleated embryo sac, there is formation of 6 cells. So जो cell wall formation होगी that will be in 6 of the 8 nuclei. So 6 of 8 nuclei develop cell wall and organize into cells. ठीक है, जो 8 में से 6 न्यूक्लियई हैं, they will develop the cell wall and they will form a complete cells. So we have 6 cells that develop their cell wall. And जो 2 न्यूक्लियई हैं, we have 8, उनमें से जो 6 हैं they will organize into cells, और जो rest of the 2 हैं, the 2 nuclei are called polar nuclei. ठीक है, so whenever the megaspore develop into the embryo sac, ठीक है, so there are the 3 mitotic divisions. There is a first mitotic division that will form the 2 nuclei. These 2 nuclei further undergo mitotic division to form 4 nucleated embryo sac. And these 4 nuclei further undergo mitotic division to form 8 nucleated embryo sac. And in this, till this, there is no cell wall formation. After this, there is cell wall formation in 6 of the 8 cells, and they are then form the complete cells. और जो बाकी के 2 nuclei हैं, they are called the polar nuclei. So we can say that there are the 6 cells and then there are the 2 polar nuclei. ठीक है, और we call that group of 2 nuclei as polar nuclei. ठीक है, now इसके बाद हम करेंगे कि जो ये सारे cells हैं and जो polar nuclei हैं, how they are organized in a complete embryo sac और a mature embryo sac, कि जो organization है different cells की वो कैसे होगी embryo sac में. So our next topic is the organization next is characteristic organization of mature embryo sac. ठीक है, सो इसमें हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि जो डिफरेंट सेल्स हैं, वी हैव डिस्कस्ड कि जो इनमें से 6 न्यूक्लियई हैं दे विल डेवलप इनटू द सेल्स, और जो रेस्ट ऑफ द 2 हैं दे आर कॉल्ड द पोलर न्यूक्लियई. सो वी विल डिस्कस कि जो ये 6 सेल्स हैं और जो पोलर न्यूक्लियई हैं, हाउ दे आर ऑर्गेनाइज्ड एंड वेयर दे आर प्रेजेंट इन द एम्ब्रियो सेल. सो फर्स्ट वी हैव 6 सेल्स, एंड आउट ऑफ दीज 6 सेल्स जो 3 सेल्स हैं they will organize themselves at the micropylar end, and that group of 3 cells is called the egg apparatus. So 3 cells organized in the micropylar end and form egg apparatus. So we consider this as our micropylar end. So this is the micropylar end, and in the micropylar end जो 6 cells बने हैं उनमें से जो 3 cells हैं they organize themselves at the micropylar end. So this is 1, this is 2, and this is the 3rd one. Okay, and these are their nucleus. This is the nucleus. Okay, so these are these three cells form the egg apparatus. Now among these three cells, ठीक है, जो ये तीन सेल्स हैं और जो एग apparatus है, इनमें से जो एक सेल है दैट विल बी द एग. ठीक है, सो वन ऑफ देम इज एग और जो रेस्ट टू हैं, जो दूसरे, सो दिस इज द एग, दिस इज द एग. और जो जो बाकी के दो सेल्स हैं दे विल बी कॉल्ड द साइनर्जिड्स, दे आर कॉल्ड द साइनर्जिड्स. सो one of them is egg and two are synergids. और जो synergid cells है on their micropylar end there are the thickenings. ठीक है, these synergid cells have thickenings on their micropylar end and these thickenings are called the filiform apparatus. These thickenings are called the filiform apparatus. Okay, so synergids have thickenings at micropylar end called filiform apparatus. And this filiform apparatus help the pollen tube help in guiding the pollen tube into the synergids. ठीक है, हमने डिस्कस किया था इन द गेमीट ट्रांसफर कि जो pollen ग्रेन है दैट विल लैंड ओवर द स्टिग्मा and then it develops a pollen tube through the style and through that style जो male gametes हैं that will reach to the egg or the female gamete. ठीक है, so जो वो pollen tube है that will grow into the style and then come to the synergids and the whole path of the pollen tube into the synergids will be guided by this filiform apparatus. So filiform apparatus help in guiding pollen tube into the synergids. Okay, so जो 6 में से 3 cells हैं, ठीक है, they will form egg apparatus. One of them is egg and rest 2 are the synergids. ठीक है, now जो दूसरे 3 सेल्स हैं, ठीक है, रेस्ट जो 3 सेल्स हैं, 3 cells organized at chalazal end are called antipodal, ठीक है. सो जो 3 सेल्स हैं, जो दूसरे 3 सेल्स हैं, वी हैड 6 सेल्स, जो रेस्ट ऑफ द 3 सेल्स हैं दे ऑर्गेनाइज देमसेल्फ एट द चलाजल एंड. These are the 3 cells and these are the nucleus and this is the chalazo end and these 3 are the antipodals. These 3 cells are called the antipodals. So we have discussed 6 cells. जो 3 हैं they form the egg apparatus, जो rest of the 3 हैं they are organized as the chalazo end and are called the antipodals. Now we are left with the polar nuclei. जो polar nuclei है that will be present here near the egg apparatus. This is the polar nuclei. And जो cell है in which the polar nuclei is present that will be called the central cell. This cell is called the central cell. So here we have the polar nuclei. These are the polar nuclei, and this is the central cell. So we have 3 cells as egg apparatus, 3 cells as apparatus, and then we have a large cell, a large central cell. So large central cell has polar nuclei. ठीक है. So जो polar nuclei है, that is present in the central cell, and that is present below the egg apparatus at the micropylar end in the central cell. जो polar nuclei है वो central cell में ही present होगा, but that will be toward the egg apparatus. So जो polar nuclei है, that will be present in central cell below egg apparatus. Okay, so in nutshell, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1. The last 7th is the central cell. We have 7 cells. 1 is the central cell, 3 chlorophyll, 3 antipodals and 3 cells of the egg apparatus. So we have total 7 cells, and we have total 8 nucleus. 3 of the antipodals, 3 of the egg apparatus, and 2 in the polar nuclei. So we can say that in a mature embryo sac, there are, or we can say the mature embryo sac is 8 nucleated and 7 celled. ठीक है. So to compile this up, so first we did how the megaspore develop into a embryo sac. ठीक है. So पहले जो megaspore है, जो nucleus है megaspore का, that will undergo mitosis to form 2 nucleated embryo sac. Then it will further undergo mitosis to form 4 nucleated embryo sac. It will further undergo third mitosis to form 8 nucleated embryo sac. And there is no cell wall formation during this process, so that we call it a free nuclear division. After 8 nucleated stage, there is a formation of cell wall in 6 of the 8 nuclei. ठीक है. जो 6 न्यूक्लियाई हैं उनमें सेल वॉल फॉर्मेशन होगी. जो रेस्ट ऑफ द 2 हैं, that will be called as the polar nuclei. Then we started कि how these 6 cells and polar nuclei are organized into a mature embryo sac. और यहाँ in other ways के जो mature embryo sac है, how would it look like, कि उसमें जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है सेल्स की, न्यूक्लियाई की, वो कैसे होगी. जो 3 सेल्स हैं 6 में से, they will organize at the micropylar end to form the egg apparatus. जो egg apparatus होगा उसमें जो एक सेल है that will be called egg. जो दूसरे 2 सेल्स हैं they will be called synergids. जो synergids हैं उनके micropylar end पर थिकनिंग्स होंगी, सेलुलर थिकनिंग्स होंगी. That thicknings will be called the filiform apparatus. और जो filiform apparatus है that help in guiding the pollen tube into the synergids. And जो rest of the 3 cells हैं, they will organize themselves at the chalazal end and they will be called the antipodals. ठीक है. So this was about the 6 cells. Now we have the polar nuclei. जो polar nuclei है, that is present in the large central cell. जो center में cell होगा, that will be large in size, so it is called the large central cell. जो polar nuclei है, that will be present in the large central cell toward the micropylar end below the egg apparatus. ठीक है. So in nutshell, जो हमारे पास mature embryo sac है उसमें 7 cells हैं. 3 are the egg apparatus, 3 are the antipodals and 1 is the central cell, and that has 8 nucleus. 3 of the antipodal cells, 3 of the cells of the egg apparatus and 2 that are part of the polar nucleus.